Hey guys, welcome to Live Blogger. Today in this video we are going to talk about the tricks to get quick AdSense approval. Every new blogger has a dream to monetize his website with AdSense, but unfortunately many of them fail. So here I am to share some tips that you can apply on your website to get quick AdSense approval. So let's get started. Google AdSense is one of the best ad networks to monetize a website or a blog, and it is more profitable than any other CPC advertising program. Its paying rates are better than all other networks, so that's the biggest reason it is so popular among bloggers. And the publisher could also make a lot of income daily from Google AdSense. Now if you want to get accepted by Google AdSense, then before applying, first of all you have to create privacy policy, about us and contact us pages. These pages give impression that you are professional and working according to Google's policy. The first thing you should create is privacy policy of your blog or website, because privacy policy is one of the requirements for Google AdSense. So if you don't have it, then you cannot get the approval. Just like privacy policy, you should also have an about us page. This also shows that there is a real person behind the blog or website so that you can get approved. About Us page has a significant role and importance even if you don't want to apply for AdSense. But when it comes to AdSense, there are zero chances of getting approved without an About Us page. This page simply describes you and your blog. This will not only help you to establish relationship with readers, but will also make them trust you. After creating About Us page, then you have to create Contact Us page. This allows your readers to speak up to you and tell how they feel about your blog, what they want to be edited, what they like or dislike. Create a Contact Us page and add the same email address that you are going to apply for Google AdSense. And if possible, do get some professional email address. By creating this, you're telling Google that you care for your customers and you're ready to help them. They can contact you anytime. Minimum 40 to 50 posts. The best time to apply for an AdSense account is when you have at least 40 to 50 good quality posts. Many of other bloggers write articles of 5,000 to 6,000 words. But as per my experience, your blog post should lend up to 600 plus words with quality content. Google gives a lot of value to the content before accepting it, and if the content is not written properly and has grammatical mistakes, Google will reject the blog right away. The content not only needs to be grammatically correct, but it must be unique and has to provide value to users and readers of the blog. The most important part is be careful what type of content you are publishing, because it is something that truly matters. Here are some common content types that are not accepted by AdSense. Pornography, adult material, pirated contents, hacking or cracking tutorial, illegal drug selling, or any other illegal stuff. So make sure you do not create such type of content, because there is no sense in creating content that are not accepted by AdSense. Your website or your blog should be more than 6 months old, and after writing the content, check it once in Copyscape, just to make sure that content you have written is copied or not. Because copied content also don't have any value in AdSense. To make more profit, select the niche which has more advertisers and keep posting unique contents on that niche. Wait for at least 6 months before applying for AdSense, and instead of focusing on AdSense, focus on your content, use good quality themes according to your niche, and keep interacting with your readers. This will help you to gain traffic, and due to all this, your AdSense will easily get approved. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and if you want us to keep posting such useful content related to blogging and YouTube, then please do not forget to leave a like, comment and do subscribe to our channel. We'll be right back.